Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as I told you, my view is going to fall down a little bit. Maybe it's going to come till touching here, the down of that triangle. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend, because the weekly candle is showing us we are bullish, but not yet. Not yet, my friend, because hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Before we even start, my friend, I want to tell you a disclaimer. Down below, there is a lot of scammers. They came and they're writing for you comments. They try to send you to Telegram or WhatsApp or click at links. Don't go to no one. Don't click at any link because majority of them, they are scams and they are just going to scam your accounts, my friend, or your device. So be aware of those things. Don't click at any link. Don't follow no one because majority of them, they will tell you, oh, me, I win. Me, I do this. Me, I do this. All those people, they are scammers, my friend. There is no one will care about your money more than you. Also, we just give you here technical analysis. If you want to follow us, follow us. If you doesn't, that is up to you, my friend. But don't follow no one. Believe me, don't follow no one. Me, I am very, very, very old in this planet, my friend. I've been in Bitcoin world from 2016, my friend. I've been in the world of trading more than 20 years. I'm not someone who got 20 years or 18 years. I am 43 years. So believe me, my friend, when I tell you something. So let's continue with our lessons, my friend. As you see, my friend, here, the daily candle, it's finished. As you see it, that one. Let me zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, it's finished as a pin bar. It's showing that there is a big pressure coming from up to down. What's my view? My view maybe is going to fall down till here. Because even in 30 minutes, as I showed you in the previous video, by the way, if you are new and you haven't watched the previous video, go watch the previous video before you came to that one to know all those lines also we put in here, all those levels, everything. Go and watch the previous video, my friend. Everything inside that previous video, my friend. And by the way, if you are new and you want to learn technical analysis, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is our highly recommended course. The course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis. Go to it and learn, my friend. If you want to learn, if you don't want, it's up to you. You just follow our analysis here free. And if you just want to invest in Bitcoin, next to that link, you're going to find 85% discount coupon link to our Bitcoin investing course. That course is going to teach you everything, my friend. From opening a brokerage account, to deposit money, to withdraw money, how to buy, how to sell, because majority of people, they show you how to buy and they don't show you how to sell. Also in that course, my friend, if you purchase it, it's going to teach you everything about how to sell, everything, how to buy, the money management. That the first lesson you need to learn if you want to be a success trader. Believe me, I told you, me, I got high experience in this planet. And me, and if you want to know who I am, go to my profile in Udemy and you're going to know who I am exactly. I'm a professional trader. Let's make it like that. So if you want to success in the world of trading, the first things you need to do, my friend, is to learn money management or risk management. And that course is going to teach you everything. So that's not our topic, my friend. Let's continue our lesson. So as I told you, my view is going to fall down a little bit. Maybe it's going to come till touching here, the down of that triangle. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend. Because the weekly candle is showing us we are bullish, but not yet. Not yet, my friend, because till now we haven't broke that level here. that level here, it's still very stronger level, my friend. There is no candle break it. The 24K level hasn't been broken. We haven't reached to 25K or something, and we close by a daily candle above it. Because that level, if you see the previous candle, that one, so let me show it to you. That previous level, that one, if you see that candle, how big it is to break it, even now it needs to come a big candle to break that level, my friend. Till now there is no big candle, so maybe it's going to drop again as I showed you in the previous video. By the way, if you haven't watched it, go and watch it, and make sure to like that video, my friend. Go down and smash the like. What you going to lose? And if you find the content very, very valuable, write for us a comment, because also we're making hard work to making all those videos every time, my friend. So I think we deserve from you to say thank you. The only way to thank us by liking the video and writing for us a comment. But the best way to thank us, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend. That one here, my friend, as I told you before, it's breaking that level here. That one also we've been following the trend line for a long time. By the way, if you want to know how also we draw the trend line, you can go back and watch the previous videos, my friend. Everything is too clear. Now what's my view to it? As you see, my view to it is going to come and touch here the trend line from up. Then after that, it's going to go up. That's the first scenario. But it needs to break for us that level here, the previous high. If it fall down and break lower that level here, me I draw it here with purple. So man, you're going to see it down again. And that's the baddest scenario, my friend. I don't want it to happen to the Bitcoin. And I don't think it's going to happen. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, it started becoming here green. But till now hasn't come here to the overbought area. So till now you need to wait in. We're still going up than that, my friend. I think till that level here, 25K, or that purple one we put it before. By the way, if you want all those level how you also we put them, you can go back and watch the previous videos. They show you all those things, my friend. Then when it's going to touch it, it's going to drop again to here, to that level, my friend. Then after that, it will go in upward again. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Because in the weekly, by the way, till tomorrow, then I explain those things to you. So that's it, my friend, for the daily. Let's go into lower time frames, like for 4 hours, to show you more, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours, and as you see, that level here, it's still holding. It hasn't been broke. That one, it's still holding, and that's what we hope. We hope it still hold. Then after that, it will give us another high, because if it fall down lower, as you see here, it's going to give you a M like that. If it fall down, and that one is a bearish signal, is going to drive down, maybe till here or something. I don't know till where exactly. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Also before we said here, we got a cup and handle like that. It's being broken. Now you need to get for you the target. Target is going to be here exactly at that green one. So let's hope it's going to do it, my friend. Because now at this moment, I show you in the previous videos, my friend, we calculating from here and here and here and that one how we get it. Now it needs just here. Then after that, he need to break upward. If it doesn't break upward, that man is going to break downward, and that one the baddest scenario. No one wanted in the crypto world, my friend. Let's hope it's going to go upward in that. Everything is too clear, my friend. And let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to us. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, also here we are at the overbought area. Man, it needs to fall down for us to buy again. And another thing I showed it to you before, also we got here at that trend line. I told you maybe it's going to fall down to touch that trend line here again. Then after that, it will go in upward to the overbought area. But the good scenario, my friend, the best scenario, maybe it's going to break down and come down here to the oversold area. And that no one wanted. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see 30 minutes to see if there is a signal now or no. So let's go into 30 minutes, my friend, to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, the price is give you here, as you see it here. a cup and handle here, or triple cup, or a triangle. You can even draw a triangle like that. So our view to it maybe is going to drop. And as you see here, that blue one, that 200 moving average. So maybe it's going to fall down to touch it again here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. So let's draw in there a line to see if it's going to fall down till there, till here. Maybe it's going to fall down till there. Then after that, it will go in upward again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to us. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Now it's going down to the oversold area and it become orange here. So you need to wait till it become here at the oversold area. That's the right time for you to buy, my friend. Maybe tomorrow in after New York Open video is going to be there. So that maybe it's going to be the right time, my friend. Tell now, don't buy, don't sell, just wait. That if you are an investor, if you are a day trader or a scalper, don't buy, don't sell now. You can enter short if you're using the margin. If you just using the cash, just wait in the retracement to finish, my friend, then enter long again. Everything in front of you, my friend, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let's see if that one is going to hold, is going to drop till here. Then after that, maybe it's going to go tail up here to the green one, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.